All right, so you have an old Vitamix. This is the Classic Series 7500. And one problem I found, even with all of these containers here down to the 32 ounce, is making a small amount can be a real hassle because you just you don't get the blending. The stuff flies up on the sides. So I looked into another solution and I wound up buying all this stuff here, and it works even though it's not documented. But this is known as the personal cup adapter, and these are the personal cups that come with it, which aren't that small. I think they're about 20 ounces. But to my pleasure, these cups here, which are, they're called the blending bowls. The thread on this here is identical to the thread on the personal cup adapter. So you can put this on here. Obviously you have to turn it upside down to do it. Put this on your blender here and have a small bowl here where you can do something like a salad dressing, or anything under, I guess, 8 ounces. It really works out. In fact, I'm going to shut the camera off. I'm going to come back. I'm going to put a little bit of water in there and just show how well that works. All right, so to demonstrate, I put more than water. I put blueberries, banana, and we're going to blend up the world's smallest smoothie. So I got the blender on, turn it up, and we're just going to pulse. That's it. Everything's blended up perfectly. Again, you'd have to turn this over to take it off, and I don't know why the sides are so high. Presumably, maybe it's a safety thing to keep fingers away from the blade. I have half a mind to take this and saw it off and just make this a less bulky adapter. But yeah, it works great. Again, it's undocumented. All the literature sells these kind of bowls for the Ascent series, and say that you need the technology for that to work on there. But yeah, this is what Vitamix won't tell you, and it does work. Just use at your own risk, I guess. All right, till next time.